this is the front-facing camera of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let me know down below in the comment what you think of the quality of the video, and also I am using the internal speaker. Let me know what you think of the sound. Okay. Okay, and now this is the main camera with stabilization on. What now? Let me know what you think down below in the comment. What you think between the forward-facing camera and the main camera right now. And the good things about the Flip 5, since you know you have that flat screen, you can use it to see yourself as you're shooting with the main camera. So you don't really have to use the forward-facing camera to make those type of video. You can use the main camera and use the external screen to see yourself on the video, so that you can easily shoot and see yourself easily to see how you fit on the screen. And I think that's a great feature if you're using this phone. If you have this phone and you're shooting videos, this is a great way to see yourself, so that you see that you know that you are on the frame. You don't have to worry about anything. Let me know what you think down below in the comment, the quality and the sound of this video. Okay, so this is another shot with the forward-facing camera after sundown. Just we're gonna see how the quality of the video looks like at night if you're recording yourself after sundown, how it looks like. Again, I'm using the internal mic. Check out again the sound to see how the sound, how it is. Let me know down below in the comment. I'm going to flip it with the main camera to see how the main camera looks like. 3, 2, 1. Alright, and now we are looking at the main camera. Let me know how it looks like. By the way, I'm right here at downtown DC. This is the monument right here. Let me know down below what you think of the quality of the video and the sound. This is the main camera on the Flip 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5. Earlier we tested in the daytime. Now we are doing it after the sunset. Let me know what you think. Now we are going to take some shots, some pictures and some videos while I'm here downtown DC. 3, 2, 1.